Friends, welcome to new video. In this video I am going to show a special unique portrait concept photo editing tutorial. Okay, first of all you have to open your model image like this and you have to cut your model image. Go to cutout tool. It will take time, so I am going to do in fast forward mode. Friends, it is how it look like after using the cutout tool. You can see. Now what you have to do is you have to go to draw and tap on these three dots and save this image. Okay, again you have to tap on these three dots and tap on this new. Okay, now simply I have to add 1:1 ratio white background. Okay, this is a 1:1 ratio white background. Now tap on this pink arrow. Now arrange this white background like this. Tap on this layer, go to colors and make it black. Now tap on it. Now go to edit image and arrange this background like this. Now we have to add the PNG. Go to add photo. Friends, I will give this PNG link in the description. Okay, you can go and download there. Now simply zoom in. Now again zoom in. You have to zoom in fully. Okay, and zoom in like this and arrange your PNG like this. Now we have to tap on tick. Now we arrange the PNG. Now you have to add your model image. Friends, you already cut your model image. It will be saved in stickers. Go to stickers, go to cutouts, and you have to add your model image. Friends, this is the model image you have to arrange. Now simply zoom in like this. Okay, and arrange perfectly your model image in this position. Like this you have to arrange in the middle. Now by using this eraser you have to erase on the bottom portion. Okay, like this you have to erase on the bottom portion. Now by using this brush you have to fill it again. Very simple and easy tutorial to edit this portrait photo editing tutorial. Very simple and easy, friends. Simply follow my video and download the PNGs. Friends, the model image is ready. Now tap on it. Now we have to go to tools, go to adjust, go to saturation, increase a little saturation, increase a little clarity. Okay, increase a little highlights. Now tap on it. Now we have to add one more PNG. Go to add photo and add this frame to the borders for the attraction of the image. Okay, zoom in completely and arrange like this. Okay, decrease a little. Okay, now tap on tick and finally have to add one more PNG. Go to add photo and arrange this error PNG on the right side here and make it duplicate and arrange it upside down here. Finally, our special portrait concept photo editing tutorial is completed. You can see how amazing and simple and beautiful it is. You can also edit your image exactly like this. Simply follow my video and download the background PNGs. Now go to draw, tap on these three dots and save this image. Friends, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. Please tap on bell icon. If I upload a new video, you will get the notification so you can enjoy my videos. See you next video with new special concept photo editing.